Hi guys, my name is Ridhima and welcome to my channel. Okay, before we start, I know there are a lot of videos talking about routines and habits. Don't worry, I'm not here to pressure you or make you feel like you need to completely reinvent yourself overnight or even before 2026. These habits have genuinely helped me and my life feel better. You don't need to do it all. You can just do one or maybe none. Just watch it and call it mental preparation. So if you're curious, stay till the end. Move your body daily. Include some kind of movement in your daily life. If you're walking, aim for at least 8 to 10,000 steps a day. It helps digestion and it clears your mind. Other than that, include some kind of strength training or body weight exercises. It gives you confidence and it makes you feel stronger. Movement isn't just exercise, it's medicine for your mind and your body. Remember, every stretch, every step, and every push compounds into a stronger, healthier, and energized version of yourself. Curate what you consume. We become what we watch, read, and listen to. Every piece of content is shaping our beliefs, even if we realize it or not. So be intentional. If you spend hours scrolling through negativity, don't be surprised if you feel like your energy is drained. Feed your mind with what inspires you, teach you, and make you want to grow. Protect your digital diet the same way you protect your physical one because your mind absorbs everything. Pay attention to your thoughts. I think this is really important, and if you want to pick one habit from this whole video is this. We create thousands of thoughts every day without us realizing that half of them are negative. Pick one phrase that you often say, something like I am not good enough or I can't do this, and rephrase into a positive one, something like I'm learning. This shift slowly rewires your brain. Remember, the words you use become the story you live in. So speak kindly to yourself. Meditate daily. It might sound boring or difficult, but it just takes practice. Meditation is about creating stillness. It can either be 5 minutes of silence, breath work, or repeating affirmations. It's training your mind to respond calmly instead of reacting emotionally. And here is the thing, the more you sit with yourself, the less control the world outside has over you. And that peace becomes your superpower. End your showers cold. Here is a challenge. At the end of your shower, turn the water cold for at least 30 seconds. It will shock you at first, especially in winters, but that's the point. You are training your mind to stay calm in discomfort. Cold showers boost your circulation, wakes you up, and strengthens your nervous system. Most importantly, they remind you that you can do hard things even when mind says no. Pray or express gratitude before your every meal. Whenever you eat, pause for like few seconds. Say thank you to your food and the body that receives it. Remember, your food absorbs all the energy that you create. If you have a stress emotion and you eat, you're gonna feel more stressed after you eat. So create 2 to 3 positive thoughts before you eat your food. Also avoid watching news or any negative content while you eat. If you must watch something, let it be calm, inspiring, or uplifting. Do it consistently and you will definitely see a huge difference. Spend quiet time alone. We have forgotten how to be alone without distractions. Spend at least 10 minutes every day doing your chores but without music or your phone. It might feel weird at first, but then you start to hear your own thoughts. And that's where ideas come from. That's where peace grows. Your alone time is not loneliness, it's just about being intentional and mindful. Read every day. It doesn't have to be an entire book. Even 5 pages a day can help you change your mindset. Reading expands your attention span in a world that constantly tries to shrink it, especially in the world of social media. It exposes you to new ideas, new ways of thinking, and teaches you to focus deeply again. Think of reading as mental exercise. The more you do it, the sharper your mind becomes. Reflect before bed. Before you sleep, Take 2 minutes to review your day. What went well, what didn't, and what can you do differently tomorrow? It's not about judgment, it's about awareness. When you reflect, you stop doing the same mistakes. Every night becomes an opportunity to reset and realign with the person that you want to become. Respond, don't react. This one will change everything, how you deal with people, stress, and life. Pause before reacting and take a breath before replying. That 1 second of awareness gives you power over your emotions instead of letting them control you. Responding is maturity and reacting is impulsive. And every time you choose response over reaction, that's you protecting your peace. And it's priceless. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was nothing crazy and nothing overwhelming. You don't need to do them all. Just start with one and stay consistent with it. Remember, small steps add up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.